There comes a time when it no longer makes sense to keep paying for car repairs. Whether your old car is ready to be retired, or you have a new driver in the family, or you're simply just ready for a change, give me a call at 843-913-8720. We have the largest inventory of cars available in South Carolina. So give me a call or check out our website. Here you'll see what we have in stock. If you're not sure what you're looking for, this is a great first step for inspiration. If you already know what you want, we'll get it for you. Either way, I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have and set up a test drive appointment. We have amazing deals going on right now. We're proud to be the #1 highest rated car dealership in South Carolina, and we've earned the trust and loyalty of valuable customers just like you. So give me a call, let's schedule your appointment, and get your driving down the road today.